Dear student, in this video we will learn problem of worksheet 2 of unit 8 from question number 5. In question number 5, here given that in the figure triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equal to AC. Find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. Suppose this is the triangle. This angle is x degree. This angle is y degree. This vertex is C, this vertex is B, and this vertex is A, and the angle A is equal to 30 degree. Angle A जो है वो 30 degree है. ठीक है. Now solution. You have to, in this question you have to find the angle x and angle y. Solution. In triangle ABC, given that AB is equal to AC. In triangle ABC, given AB is equal to AC. This implies angle ACB opposite to angle opposite to side AB, that is this angle ACB, and angle opposite to side AC, this is angle ABC, equal to angle ABC. Angle opposite by which property? Angle opposite to equal side are equal. Angle opposite to equal side are equal. Let angle ACB is equal to angle ABC is equal to Z. मैंने एज्यूम कर लिया एंगल ACB और एंगल ABC किसके बराबर है? Z के बराबर है. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree by which property? By angle sum property. Angle sum property. Is it clear? Now here angle A is 30 degree. We assume that angle ABC is equal to Z and angle ABC also Z. It means 180 degree. It means 2Z is equal to 180 minus 30, that is 150 degree. So Z is equal to 150 by 2, that is 75 degree. The value of Z is 75 degree. Now you have to find x and y at B. At B, या ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ से दो प्रॉपर्टी से बन सकता है. दिस प्लस दिस इक्वल टू एक्स, दिस प्लस दिस इक्वल टू एक्स. या लीनियर पेयर से भी बना सकते हो और ऐसे भी बना सकते हो. क्या लिखेंगे? इन ट्रायंगल ABC एंगल A प्लस एंगल ACB इक्वल टू एक्स. देखो ये एंगल और ये एंगल, इस दोनों एंगल का सम जो है ये बाहर x के बराबर होगा. सम ऑफ इंटीरियर अपोजिट इक्वल टू एक्सटीरियर एंगल. तो ये इसको मत देखो, अभी ये क्या है? एक्सटीरियर एंगल है, तो इस दोनों एंगल का सम क्या होगा? एक्सटीरियर एंगल होगा. क्या लिखेंगे? बाय विच प्रॉपर्टी? सम ऑफ इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल, इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल इज इक्वल टू exterior angle. Sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Here angle A is 30 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 75 degree is equal to x. So x is equal to 105 degree. This is the answer. Here given that since angle Z is equal to 75 degree, so angle ACB is equal to 75 degree and angle ABC also 75 degree. Now again in triangle ABC, अब क्या करेंगे, इस दो एंगल का सम लो। ये यदि इधर ढकेंगे तो ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल है, तो सम ऑफ अपोजिट इंटीरियर इक्वल टू एक्सटीरियर एंगल। तो ये दोनों क्या है, y के करस्पॉन्डिंग अपोजिट इंटीरियर कौन है, एंगल A और एंगल B। सो एंगल A प्लस एंगल B इक्वल टू y, बाय विच प्रॉपर्टी, सम ऑफ इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल इज इक्वल टू एक्सटीरियर एंगल। सो वी कैन राइट एंगल A plus angle ABC is equal to y degree, by which property sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. So here the interior opposite angle is 30 degree, angle ABC is equal to 75 degree, which is already find out. So y is equal to 105 degree. So x is equal to 105 degree and y is equal to again 105 degree. This is the answer. Now question number 6. Here in question number 6, in the figure find angle ACB and angle A and write which side of triangle ABC are equal. Which side of triangle ABC are equal? Here the figure is, this is the angle A, this is the angle B, this is not given, this is 80 degree and this angle is 130 degree and the vertex is C, नाम दे दो X. Solution: in triangle ABC, angle ACX be the exterior angle and angle A and angle B are interior opposite angle. So therefore angle ACX is equal to angle A plus angle B, by which property sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Here angle ACX is equal to 130 degree, angle A not given but angle B is given, which is 80 degree. So angle A is equal to 130 minus 80 degree, that is 50 degree. Now you have to find, देखो, now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle ACB, तीनों का सम क्या होगा, 180 डिग्री होगा, बाय विच प्रॉपर्टी, बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. So we write 50 plus 80 plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. So angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 130, that is again 50 degree. So angle ABC again 50 degree. Now in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle ACB is equal to 50 degree. So side opposite to angle A, that is BC, and side opposite to angle ACB, that is AB. क्या होगा? Side opposite to equal by which property? Side opposite to equal angle are equal. Side opposite to equal angle are equal. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC. This is the answer. Now in question number 7, here question is, in figure AB is equal to AC and AP perpendicular to BC and angle B is equal to 60 degree, then find first is angle BAP and second is angle ACB. You have to find angle BAP and find angle ACB. A, B, C, P. Here this is the 90 degree. Now solution. Here given that AB is equal to AC, AP perpendicular to BC, angle B is equal to 60 degree. To find first is angle BAP and second angle ACB. ठीक है, सॉल्यूशन देखिए. सॉल्यूशन में क्या लिखेंगे? पहला देखो, इन ट्रायंगल BAP, एंगल B प्लस एंगल BAP प्लस एंगल APB इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री बाई एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. So angle here, angle B is 60 degree, angle BAP not given, plus angle APB is equal to 90 degree, because given that BC perpendicular to AP, so this is 180 degree. So angle BAP is equal to 180 or 90 plus 60, that is 150, that is 30 degree. ये BAP क्या आ गया? 30 डिग्री आ गया. नाउ दिस इज द आंसर. सेकेंड पार्ट, ACB इन ट्रायंगल ABC, AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, this is given. So the angle opposite to equal side, so angle ACB is equal to angle ABC, एंगल ACB इक्वल टू एंगल ACB. ठीक है, एंगल अपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड, एंगल अपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड आर इक्वल. एंगल अपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड आर इक्वल. सो these two angle are equal. Here given that here it means angle C is equal to angle B, but angle B is equal to 60 degree given, so angle C is equal to also 60 degree. This is the answer. Now question number 8. Now in figure find x and y is triangle ABC isosceles. If so, name its equal side. In this question you have to find the value of x and y. You have to say this triangle is isosceles or not, and if it is isosceles then which side are equal. Solution. First we make a figure. Here figure is this type, like this is angle A, this is angle C, this is angle B, this is x degree, this is 110 degree, this is 40 degree, and this is x, this is y degree. So इन ट्रायंगल हेयर सॉल्यूशन में क्या लिखेंगे, इन ट्रायंगल ABC एंगल ACX be the exterior angle in triangle ABC angle ACX be the exterior angle. Therefore angle ACX is equal to angle A plus angle C. So here ACX is equal to 110 degree, angle A is equal to 40 degree, angle C is equal to y degree. So y is equal to 110 minus 40 degree, that is 70 degree. So y is 70 degree. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle ABC plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. So here angle A is 40 degree, angle ABC is equal to x degree, angle C is equal to 70 degree, that is y. Angle C is equal to 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. It means angle x is equal to 180 minus 110 degree. Angle x is equal to क्या होगा, 180 minus 110 degree, that is 70 degree. So x is equal to 70 degree and y is equal to 70 degree. Now you have to identify this triangle is isosceles or not. Now in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 70 degree. So these two angles are equal. Therefore side opposite to equal angle are equal. So opposite side of angle ABC, that is AC, and opposite side of angle ACB, that is AB. So AC is equal to AB. लिखेंगे क्या, by which condition, by which region, लिखेंगे side opposite to equal angle, side opposite to equal angle are equal. So write down triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. This is the answer. So today's homework, you have to complete worksheet 2 and do example 4, 5 and do example 4 and 5. Thank you.